I just got my first TV. This was my mom's TV. This was also my dad's TV. I dug it out of the ground. This is where it was buried. So let's say you just dug your mom's or dad's phone out of the ground and you were wondering, wow, how do I get it back to life? So obviously this old piece of junk doesn't work that well. But let's say yours was in a worse condition. Let's simulate a worse condition. There's a big chunk out of my TV. It's my mom's TV. I just found the wires. The first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have to station the top of your TV. It helps if you have a hole in it. It's on nice and tight. This tool will allow me to access the innards of the TV. Obviously, some models don't work all that well. So you can use one of two other things. You can use your frame, or you can use your frames. Now, what you need to do is you need to utilize this area. That's a great way to utilize the area, but unfortunately, I can't really access the TV through that hole. So you need to make another hole. That kind of hurt. Looks like an old cobweb. You can see the frills are there to protect the imagery. So you're thinking, oh my God, my mommy and my daddy, they used to watch Seinfeld on such an old machine. Yeah, that happened. But see, just like a whale's mouth, this catches the signal of the TV. And basically what it does is little krill signals come into here. You didn't think you were on fucking National Geographic, did you? Well, you are. So the krills will come in here. Sometimes the krills get caught. So what you have to do is you have to pry them out. That's another technique I like to use. We had to take off the plastic frame first though. Okay. So the frame has been exposed. There's a fly in my ear. All right. Here's the sweet stuff. Come on. All right. So the final thing. Here we go. This is the root of the problem. See that? This TV's fixed. You can watch the Flintstones just like your parents did all those years ago. Now you know how to fix your own TV and you know how to fix your own cell phone.